You guys asked for it. The Bullet WS6 steering wheel is up for a giveaway. All you have to do is send me a 2-minute video with your best impression of the Bullet WS6. You guys watch my channel. You know how I am, you know all my quirks. Give me your best impression. I'm gonna have friends and family pick the top 5 videos. The fans will get to decide who the grand champion is. First place is going to get the steering wheel and a t-shirt or beanie of their choice. Runner-up is also gonna win. I'm gonna leave all the details to the giveaway in the comments below. Make sure you read the rules, and good luck to everybody. I mean, I don't know what to do. I mean, part of me just wants to leave it alone, but I know I have to take it apart.
We're not that far in.
Something like wearing.
Yeah, you got some wear, I'm sure.
Yeah. What's up? What's up? I made a serious mess when I took the transmission out. So just a couple of updates real quick for you guys. We got our headers in. I'm gonna do a separate film on that pretty soon. And we got some more parts in. We got our coolers, got our radiator, extension hose, which is all up and away. Tons of tools everywhere. I have a good idea, don't ever hesitate. Next accomplished thing on the list, just trying to stay busy really, but we got our new carbon fiber seat mounted to our brackets for the passenger side.
So mine has cool stickers on it. Gives it like 50 cool more cheetahs.
And just like that, we got the motor back in the car.
It wasn't just like that. Differential. Right, that's not the intake though. This is not attached to this. You guys trying to make
No, it definitely attaches to it.
It is not attached to it.
It definitely does.
100%?
100%.
Yeah, so but what does it do? I know this thing sticks out of the fucking engine. That's not an exhaust.
We actually got to Texas 2K. I stayed up till late in the morning every single day after work, just trying to get this car here. The car is hurt body-wise and a little bit on the suspension on the front. We're gonna take some time off, figure out the plan. We'll make a video on how to get this thing fixed, and we'll go from there. The door is completely garbage. It's separated, the shell separated from the skin itself in several spots. So hate wheelies. I know you guys like them. It's great for content. The pictures, as you can see from our friends at 1320, are awesome, but I don't like it. It has not been easy because the K members all kinds of been up at the install points. As far as camber wise, it's still leaning in, and we measured the knuckle from the wheel to the knuckle. It's tighter here than it is on the other side, which tells us that the knuckle is actually bent on this thing. So I still didn't get this glass tinted. The used quarter panel that we put on the car, it's painted, it's done. The used door that I got from the roller that we have tucked away over there, that's on the car and painted and done. Done. I know this is like the 10th time that we've done this.
It's about the 10th time.
But I got another set of gears I need swapped out.
Maybe this will be the last time?
So, someday I'll figure out the gears that I want, but maybe this will be the last time, but probably not. Alright, so we got everything just about pretty much wrapped up. Most of the bugs are worked out, so we got a lot of work to do, a lot of suspension stuff, a lot of test time and seat time to get my confidence back in this thing.
Yeah, tension is getting put to good use.
Well, I have the wire up here. No, I got the wire. I got the wire right here. I just haven't hooked it up yet. Locked, loaded, ready for some testing. The tires haven't seen action in like in the car, and we are at 36. Looks like 3614 is what it's 3613, 3614 is what it's gonna register at. Potential here, a lot of potential. We just need to work on getting this car straight. I'm also double checking all the rocker arms, because as you know, one of the biggest things that was happening to us before, when it was eating lifters, the bolts would back out. But I don't think it was the bolts actually backing out. I think it was the lifters collapsing and then the bolts backing out. Offered to let me borrow these bad boys and torque these down to 20, and we'll be good to go. We're gonna start anew. This is what we changed.
There you go, Juan.
Damn it, why are you telling everybody?
Hey, we don't racing. Yeah!
Alright, I guess I'm running out of there. Okay, so I was gonna wait till a little bit later, but he ended up being in the lanes with me anyway, so might as well. That guy was with me pretty good right out of the start, but it was fun. It was a lot of fun. First, and we're gonna be second. That's it for now. Let's get to some racing. Every bit of a pro mod to put me on the trailer today. The Bullet, it was running great, but I mean, what can you do? It's pro mod, big tire car. Got a little bit of a issue going on. The cell wire gave out on me. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the tip. Hopefully everything goes good. If not, it's gonna be rough to figure out if we need to decrease power or not or what. But hopefully everything goes good. It hooks and goes. We got new tires on it. That's it, so let's get ready.
it.